Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register a business with Gusto, complete guide step by step clearly. To register a business with Gusto, begin by visiting the Gusto website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. You'll need to create an account, so enter your email address and a secure password. After creating your account, verify your email to activate your profile. Once logged in, select the option for business registration. Provide your business name as it appears on legal documents. Next, choose your business structure from the available options, such as LLC or corporation. Fill in your business address, ensuring it's accurate and complete. Enter your employer identification number, or EIN. If you don't have an EIN, there's an option to apply for one online through the IRS. Next, input your business's contact information, including a business phone number. You will also be prompted to add details about the owner or owners of the business. This includes names, addresses, and ownership percentages. After entering the required information, review all details for accuracy. Once confirmed, proceed to fill out banking information for direct deposit purposes. You'll need to provide your bank account and routing numbers. Continue by adding any additional information Gusto requests. This may involve providing details about your workforce or expected hiring. Once all information is entered, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the acknowledgement box and proceed. Finally, submit your registration. You will receive a confirmation once your business registration is successfully completed. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions or confirmations. That's it. Your business is now registered with Gusto. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.